Welcome, Internet Wanderers, to Acula at the Cinemas, with me, Dr. Acula. Today, we look at Now You See Me, the third film about magicians for 2013. While this is the most interesting of the trio, it falls short of the 2006 movie The Prestige, which also happens to co-star Michael Caine. All of the big illusions are very interesting and possible in the real world, which is a great thing in a film about magic. Thank you for watching, and as always, I'll see you in your dreams!